What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drevs at Grubs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo XC90 B6 Ultra. So as you guys know, I'm getting videos on all the 2026 XC60s and XC90s. I've gotten videos on the B5 Plus and the T8 all-wheel drive Ultra, and I got my hands on this B6 Ultra today. So pretty similar interior, of course. Very beautiful black and white steering wheel with the nice white Volvo logo. Or for sweeter crystal gear shifter, 360-degree camera system with the Ultra. You also have heated, ventilated seats with the heated steering wheel. And multiple ways to adjust your seat. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I believe. And you have the built-in Google Maps, also in the gauge cluster. You also have a graphical head-up display, and you have a Harman Kardon sound system in this one. But Bowers & Wilkins is an option, which is fantastic. But I like these speaker grills on the Harman Kardon. Looks pretty good. If you get the Bowers & Wilkins, you're going to have the little speaker up there too, which looks really cool. And then the speaker grills are bigger than this, and they're silver with more intricate design. You also have this beautiful open pore light wood trim. Looks gorgeous. You have a nice panoramic sunroof, very spacious interior. Seats feel very comfortable. Typical Volvo interior in here. No surprises. And this Napa leather is so soft and comfy. Gives you a lot of back support. Feels really good. And then if you want to adjust your side bolsters, thigh extension. I don't even know, I haven't even tried that before. I would definitely use that because I have pretty long legs. And then you can adjust the lumbar. Let's walk around this car. This is a really nice color combo. It's very popular on basically any car. Blue with a white interior, people love it. I love the Thor's Hammer daytime running lights on the new XC90. The new XC90 is absolutely gorgeous. Such a classy looking SUV. I love that grille too. 2026 XC90 B6 mild hybrid ultra bright theme 7-passenger, 295 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, 48-volt mild hybrid system. Harman Kardon sound system, graphical head-up display, ventilated Napa leather upholstery. $75,155 is your total price on this vehicle. 23 miles per gallon, city 20, highway 26, which is actually pretty good. The mild hybrid helps with that. Exterior is denim blue, interior is blonde. Denim blue is a nice color, very classy. I think it looks great. I wish the new XC60 had the same headlights as this, but the interior on the new XC60 is pretty much the exact same as this. But yeah, I think Volvo killed it with this design on this XC90 facelift. Those headlights in person look so bright. Like, they're really, really bright. They really do stand out. The Thor's Hammer daytime running lights have always looked really good. And even the name Thor's Hammer is just dope. We are a little bit low on gas, so we'll just make it a quick test drive. And the mild hybrid helps with fuel economy. And also gives you some extra boost off the line, which helps. More mild hybrid systems are really great whenever you have a gasoline vehicle, and then the mild hybrid just helps out with like a little, it's a perfect amount of like electric assistance to the vehicle. And I think more cars should have the mild hybrid system. A lot of BMWs have the mild hybrid system, but there are some SUVs out there which are purely gasoline, and then their fuel economy is impacted. So the mild hybrid system like this would be very helpful for that, in my opinion. But the drive, nothing new here, very comfortable, very soft. Great visibility, and the interior in these new Volvos are a wonderful place to spend time. Like, you can you feel so comfortable and relaxed, and you're cocooned with luxury. All the touch points are great. It's so classy in here, so simple. What I love about Volvo interiors, they're not overwhelming. They're so simple and understated. It gives you whatever you need, and it looks elegant at the same time, right? Volvo doesn't change their cars very often, right? They have very long product runs, but they manage to make their cars not feel outdated because they're not too over the top. Volvos are always very classy and understated. They don't ever scream, look at me, or I'm better than this, I'm better than that. It doesn't, it's just supposed to be nice and simple, which in the world we live in today, simplicity is sometimes something we want when everything is so complicated and over the top in so many different areas, especially in automobiles. So good job to Volvo on keeping simplicity in their product line. And also, Volvos are the safest SUVs in the world, or safest cars in the world. The safest SUV you can have your family in is an XC90, such as this one. So you can rest assured that your family's safe if you drive around in this vehicle. And that's a great reputation to have, to be the safest brand in the automotive brand in the world. Safety is extremely important for people who want to drive their families around in their vehicles. And not only their families, just themselves. It's nice to have that peace of mind. It's so quiet in here. And I believe you do have free maintenance for 2 or 3 years. I might be wrong, but I think you do. I'm not too familiar with Volvo's complimentary maintenance programs. It should say on the window sticker though, I just didn't take a look. And you can also get massage seats as an option, which is only like a $600 option. I would definitely take that for only a $600 upcharge. That's well worth it to me, at least. Might as well go all the way. If you're going to get an Ultra, I personally would get the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, because the Bowers & Wilkins system in Volvos is phenomenal. In any vehicle, Bowers & Wilkins is good, but Volvos are tuned super well, and it's really, really nice. See, look how beautiful this SUV is. Look at it in that reflection. It looks so good. So your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are easily accessible right there. If you want to put in an address, you could put it in over there with Google Maps, and then you'll be able to see your directions in there, which is cool. You do have some decent space in your center console. I like the wireless charging tray placement over there. I'm not sure what material this is. I don't know what you call that. Fabric, I guess. That's kind of cool. And I love how the AC vents are placed in the B pillars as well as over there. So that's, the rear passengers have a lot of climate control accessibility. You also have rear sunshades for the rear passengers. And this one, you know, you can fit a lot. Even look at the rear seats back there. Like, they're not like crappy rear seats. They're actually nice big rear seats, like the ones over here. The same headrest and everything. And the headrest feels quite comfortable too. But overall, this is a very nice Volvo XC90 Ultra. No surprises here. I expected nothing less. This is fantastic. But thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own XC90.